Hello, this is Rinchen here with Katbotz podcast. I'm joined here with some of my colleagues at SAP Sapphire Orlando. So let's just have everyone do a brief intro of who they are and what they do at Katbotz.
Hello, hi, my name is Kia and I work as a software developer with Katbotz, and this is my first time here at Sapphire. So it's been great. I will share that in a moment. But yeah.
Hi, my name is Shardul. This is also my first time here at Sapphire. It's been amazing, and my background, I did masters and bachelors in computer science from Arizona State University, and right now I work as an ML engineer at Katbotz.
Hi, I'm Koushika and I'm with Katbotz here, and this is my first time in Sapphire, and it's been an incredible experience going on, and really grateful for Katbotz for bringing us here, right? And I work as a business analyst in Katbotz, and it's been really amazing these days. So yeah, over to you, Ashish.
Thank you, Koushika. Thanks, Shardul, Kia, Rinchen for being here. Like I said before, I think it's my good fortune and like I would say privilege to be with these amazing, talented people. So yeah, Rinchen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashish. And it's a pleasure to be here on behalf of Katbotz as well. So I'm just going to ask my colleagues what were some of their key takeaways from this event and basically how their experience was overall.
Thank you. So I think the first exciting thing I learned from the event was the new business AI platform from SAP. It's very difficult to manage workflows from all the phases, but the new Joule Studio has everything together. So I think that's going to be very interesting to see how companies are going to implement this new Joule 2.0. So yeah, we'll be implementing that as well at Katbotz. So let's see how it goes.
And my key takeaways kind of continue from where Kia left off about Joule Studio. It's fascinating what these guys are doing with knowledge graphs and how they are technically representing all the tables or structured data and unstructured data living underneath and representing them so that the LLMs kind of have those ontological frameworks kind of having better way of representing all that messy data, basically. So I think the SAP Sapphire kind of mentioned that as one of the things. And another thing is they have this collaboration with Dremio, and basically they are Lakehouse, and I think Lakehouses are fascinating. So I think that's pretty cool.
Thank you, Shardul. That was good. So yeah, when we were talking about the business AI platform, right, Kia, they unveiled it today, and we see that there are a lot of integrations that has been happening. We have business AI in that, and we have SAP BTP, we have BDC under everything which is lying on top of business AI platform. Those are really cool, and we also have the Joule implementations that are going on. Hopefully, we'll be able to do it soon in Katbotz as well, and. Yeah, it has been really great, and towards the networking part, we see a lot of senior people who gives their time and shares their inputs on like how it has been working in the industry. So it has overall been an excellent experience so far. So I'm hoping that I'm excited to meet Roger Federer, and we are going to Disneyland today. So it is going to be great. Yeah.
Nice. So the team is really looking forward to get the front row seat. Hopefully we can make that happen. And other than that, I mean, everything that you guys have shared is like really amazing. And I feel like collectively as a team, we can make a much bigger impact because that's how our client problems are. Also, like talking to some of the clients, we're looking forward to helping them with their AI journey and help them make it real. Also, from a fun activity standpoint, of course, the keynote is something going to be inspiring, I'm sure, when we listen to Roger Federer, looking forward to that. And then, the Disney event, and then going back home and, coming back and rolling up our sleeves again and start to take it back to the Katbotz team and make it real, everything we have learned over here. And I think more than anything, we had a great team building, I think, hanging out, doing some karaoke and stuff like in the car. So looking forward to continue to build the bonds, So anything else, Rinchen, you want to add?
No, I think you summed it up perfectly. Everyone here had really valid points about how there's so much going on in the SAP universe, and there's so many key takeaways from this event for the new innovations. It definitely was a great team building opportunity. Working remotely, we don't really get to interact with each other beyond our work. So getting to learn from each other was actually a great experience for everyone. And yeah, does anyone have anything else they would like to add here?
No, I mean, I think it sounds like a good plan. Let's continue to grow together, you know.
I think in the I did like a Joule Studio demo, sort of an interaction I did over the agent labs, and something interesting I found was actually I'm thinking of and not thinking, but from the perspective of future and what SAP does in Joule. One of the Apple research papers kind of talk about LRMs and how, as the complexity gets higher, the Opus 3.7 models they were talking about before, but not Opus, sorry, Sonnet. And basically, those models, as the reasoning went up, in the middle the complexity layer, they kind of were pretty accurate in comparison to the non-reasoning models. But as the complexity went way higher, the accuracy dropped fairly low. So I'm interested in how Joule is kind of off-spinning that and actually focusing on if there are hallucinations, how are they going to tackle them, and how, with the help of knowledge graphs. I'm pretty sure knowledge graphs is the way to go about it. But yeah, if there are any other things, I'm really interested in looking forward to that. Thank you.
Okay. In that case, we'd like to wrap up this podcast. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you.